Sisi ane de Manchester, Greater Manchester for no. Ubia so be overhauling.
Yankoi.
And a story about out from Manchester United. They say, you see Ruben Amorim say about 9 players. Pen obiti minoma ye juma o Manchester United team no. And the most surprising thing they say conversation about out no. Hunter. And then some of the players here
Omudia Bemu
ye believe say anka they've been the best players for the team no. You see Ruben Amorim say on power mono. Surprising. Now Hunter, let me start the story say. Okay? The situation at Manchester United, it is unlike Chelsea Diano some few years ago.
Okay.
What's I say? And let me build my story from this side. Say, problem now with Manchester United, no, Hunter, they shouldn't blame anybody. They should blame the Glazers family.
Okay.
What I say?
The owners.
The owners, and I said the shareholders of Manchester United.
Okay.
Which is the Glazers family.
I'm going to create majority on.
Oh, I'm going to create majority. But I think say actively need a side right.
Okay.
Acting. I think that they should blame the Glazers family. They should blame owners of Manchester United since 2005.
Okay.
And Hunter, why am I saying this? Share Udim. When did you hear in the news? And I said, what year? Our news me say United for a more year rebuild. Would they catch them pass? Say you United fan. Say what supporting United from 2000 cry they bar. What to say United for? You say United for a year rebuild. What to be that? Say be you see United. Say the City for City for Baba rebuild. Even City I rebuilt about 7 years ago.
And nobody winning
a trophy.
Oh, they started in 2008.
What you say? At the time, Georgian club and Liverpool a rebuild. Arsenal go for Mikel Arteta. Arteta rebuild. What you say? Even South Newcastle when Aston Villa Mokrana they did the rebuild. Tottenham was personal AAB. Oko Real Madrid ni Basamo Bayern Munich mo aye rebuild.
That's na Barca ye.
What you say? Juventus aye rebuild. Share the top clubs in Europe. And you know rebuild. But tell me the last time what is the yes United for aye rebuild? Because the Emma United for rebuild Emma Sunina United aye rebuild. They say they see the best players performing. They don't check their age. Na makwa kotomo.
Okay.
What you say? United team they buy the best players
without checking
their age. What did they make an say? It's the thing they say, and the bomb when you fly from doing the rebuild. No, some trophies, petty trophies. We are now United for a winning.
Okay.
And say about 3 years now United team no they pick a crowd who are not for home. I bet you FA Cup be yes still team is strong.
Strong.
Say United a team no they pick a crowd who not Jose Mourinho best commissions no the only winning Europa League. Yes, team is strong. Say United team no they pick a crowd no Liga so sky the only winning EFL Cup be yes team is strong. A team Manchester United team no some trophies and a blind you a bomb the flyer say no the team is in a ditch. Hunter out the make and say anka team Manchester United team that we own Hunter. Now say the last time a United edge Premier League trophy was 2012-2013 and that opening if any say Alex Ferguson. In the Hunter, what they do the calculation from 2013 to 2024 11 good years. 11 years. But don't forget, say, before Ansana say Alex Ferguson, Babeko, edge 2013, the idea free Manchester United. No, now United, edge 2018, 2008, 2009 Premier League.
Okay.
No, magic 2010, 2011 Premier League. And I'm about 2012, 2013.
Okay.
And in a space of 5 years, our Premier League, no, say Alex Ferguson at the Manchester United, and we need 3 Premier League trophies. Hunter, what you say? But at the time I say Alex Ferguson call you, Hunter, let me do this calculation for you. Say, Obegedi say, since 2012, 2013, Manchester United for AG Premier League, the closer they've gotten to the Premier League trophy, 2017-2018 season, I'm also second. Premier League. That year, United also second. City now a G Premier League no or the 19 points and the chain you the second him. It tells you say that season Ankasa the whole top teams now in the Premier League no they were poor. And out there say because that very season no Pep Guardiola enya 100 points. 2017-2018 season you know. I'm with the J League now onya 100 points no at the J United enya 81 points or not also second. Into Pep Guardiola Man City won the Premier League. Amuchimu 19 point intervals from the second position. And the J Premier League.
Now the OD 16 for there.
Then no I can really say the OD 16 for there.
Second put 19 16. So
what I say? Man United Samba also second 2020-2021. Agenda the conversation in said Manchester United rebuild is overdue, long overdue. Nemum say team near ko for now one coach be about skirmishes. No a trophy bako. That is why last season 2 seasons ago you know everything hang na ma most my son but my trophies in 2 years. So they were basing on the trophies 2 now within 2 years nana ayana mo contemplate yen keep it hang yen keep it because in the space of 2 years hang by trophies at the Manchester United it is all your United fan now what you keke and I share resource what you say now say 2 years you get trophies what I say but Uma when ko other teams in other teams now money omo compete no how are they doing amo brodeba enti 2 years now I get trophies no it will get to a timer even 10 years one trophy kura ho be the amount because that teams ni na build awie afi na obesha ase and what the story na say since Sir Alex Ferguson David Moyes aba Louis van Gaal aba Jose Mourinho aba Ole Gunnar Solskjaer aba Ralf Rangnick aba and Erik ten Hag enso aba meboa and nti o de say wo yi amo be taking as managers amo caretakers free mu a 6 managers in 11 years.
Okay.
Since Alex Ferguson free Manchester United 6 managers in 11 years. Into 6 managers in 11 years no 6 managers ni nyina na ka bom and a 4 trophies. Edema bobo and 5 trophies. Edema Manchester United because in the space of 11 years no amaji FA Cup mienu EFL Cup mienu and a Europa League bako.
Okay.
Into the space of 11 years, no, United our trophies bako 5. Nemum no agye won say trophies ni eden trophies. FA Cup mienu, Carabao Cup mienu, and a Europa League mienu. Into Europa League bako. Into 6 managers ni nyina no in 11 years no averagely make me catch you say ebia 3 years bia United nya 1 trophy bako. And I say nya trophy bako.
Okay.
3 years bia that is why as the team no they appear na mo aba be jet trophy baako na United for no euro fi say no team no enye
okay
I was here build because so the last time a United G Premier League in 2012-2013 na says 11 years nie na United entime Premier League there is something wrong with the team and until United and say United team na there is something wrong no. Why do you buy Casemiro at the age of 30 years from Real Madrid? Why do you buy Christian Eriksen 30 years from Brentford? Why do Manchester United bought Rafael Varane 29 years from Real Madrid? Argentina Johnny Evans at the age of 34 years. Mokofa Johnny Evans and he feel Leicester City ever. Argentina Manchester United Etisika Ekova Edison Cavani at the age of 33 years from Paris Saint-Germain. Hands what I say? Social United team anymore. At the time of Juan Mata, every Manchester United now Waba Benya 34 years. Into Juan Mata, every United no 34 years. Fellaini, every Manchester United no 33 years. Phil Jones, every United no 32 years. A branch the final Matic, Nemanja Matic, every Manchester United no 33 years. And it tells you say Manchester United team no, I'm gonna rely on experience. I'm gonna rely on the best. I mean, some best players. They don't check their age. And nothing in there, United team no, they play still. And so she game near United ne for boy now. Viktoria Plzen boy now. Opinion friend Ruben Amorim was very angry. Although Manchester United won the game, but he was very angry. It's a no as a conversation about Ruben Amorim catch the United board and they say United team about 28 players a good Manchester United 9 pen of in your into on Pamo and the breaking story a woman and say Bruno Fernandes and Alexandre Garnacho Papa so to me
maybe the woman tells you was it Garnacho and a branch of Bruno Fernandes Omumienu no Omunko Yanton Omo
football.
Anya Bruno into the Cry United to me.
Bruno Cry United. They be a Bruno as him say. He's been dipping right from about 2 years ago.
Maybe yes, Martin the story be yes, or you're indisciplined.
Why Bruno?
You're tactically gifted, technically gifted players.
Okay.
And you're good players and you're better players. Let me explain. Tactical players BT say Bruno Fernandes mono say coach biba none tactics no and then in fact the coach sees you as useless because in his system he sees you as tactically unintelligent.
Okay,
and that is Bruno a case. Hunter, you're good players in here Garnacho more or they can dribble, they can do this, but in the system you can't fit in and yes you're a bad player.
Okay,
Hunter, you have better players. Omono, they don't need a new system to adapt. Enyaba had be picky. Onyaba be picky. In Hunter, those group of players, you know, Amorim they are technically gifted players because this kind of football everyone and saying a technical. Hunter, anya 2 and 3 po biemo. And you'll be a system as quick. Someone who is able to adapt to a system, a new system quickly. That guys at Chelsea who are because Enzo Maresca came in there and the way Wontumi migrated from Pochettino system. Ever do Enzo Maresca system no and the Manchester team see how can you tell me say a player already 30 years 31 28 he still stayed in those times near about 4-4-2 now the players somebody 30 they don't understand invent and stand here invent and come back here. That is why Amorim is having problems.
also only 9 players.
Only 9 players.
Also 9 players pay. I know bit me no my ejuma.
Serious o.
Ntamu amon kan ho.
Embra no na ma amba me ba me twa no na ma ne bufu se o support Rasmus Holland.
Oh yes.
Was it Rasmus Holland to kwara ni Ahmed Diallo nyae no. Was o support boy ni because se striker wuram na winger wanya ball na fa ball ni tum. Pass man won she go. Na o pese wa wotwe that
is Man United players.
And then I won't striker no.
Man United players.
And as some way, Emery be a ambassador betana Kansas me say. The amount Rasmus Holland no enya go nche no. Aye Manchester United attackers no.
Of course, last
yes. Aye bad.
Last season, your ball season anyway, striker ball a corner so less. Hey, Rasmus Holland.
Yes, I can claim quarter war Ahmed Diallo. And guess what they want any. As a man, some pass
running as a space in them na pass.
Oh, is it? That's what they can claim quarter war.
United players no obi e glory.
Why?
Oh yeah,
obi e glory. Oh, who say no ntira here? Rashford. Apeke kakra. But who say about 2 matches in United bo game ya start free bench.
Ya money mobi.
Oh, yeah, selfish.
Onyabo person no a
set team ni nye ohun enti say
ana Amorim so person or build a team not individual players
yenye team
yes it is a open individual glory who she goes into ya mo onye
and all be say after the game you busa coach ni sa no na me say ka coach ni be kata so but what out to be can play say yes one a branch friend no e friend say Rasmus Holland I agree because what deserve say the bufu we are thinking about him.
Oh, yeah, straightforward.